Alright, I got the new bike cleaned up, everything set. I'm not so sure about the carburetor. I put a KLX needle kit in it, but I think it still may need a rebuild. I guess we'll find out. Everything else seems to be not too bad. I put a fan off and on switch just because the KLRs are famous for not working on the fan. Interesting. Interesting. Definitely a low speed idle issue. Test number 2 on this thing. Took the carb right back out again. Got a brand new Pilot Jet and took everything apart on that carb, cleaned it up real good, cleaned all the passageways, needles, everything. So I think I might have it this time. This kickstand is way too short though. I don't know who was dealing with that, but they welded it 4 times. Alright, she starts up nice. She's idling, not surging now. Come on, baby, don't fail me now. So far so good. Okay, that was nice. I think we got her fixed, knock on wood. Knocking on the tank, but that's as close as I can find. So I got the KLX kit in this one, same as my other one. And new Pilot Jet. I put a 42 in because that's all they had. And don't see any difference from the other one. Nice. Right into the sun. Probably turn the idle down a touch. If I can find it. Right on. Everything feels good and smooth. Everything's working. That makes me happy. I'll be riding this bike to do little adventures and stuff. My other bike is ready for a long trip. If this COVID crap would ever go away, then we can get out and travel, camp out. This bike will be nice for little adventures. It'll be better, of course, once I get the other sprocket on the back. I think I'll leave the 15 tooth on the front, run the 43 on the back. I've got a 1642 on my other, on the 03. Wow, my voice is starting to crackle. Yeah, it's better for the highway. This, if I leave this 1543, it'll be a little better for the back roads. We'll see. It could use some upgraded suspension, but I'm not going to put much money into it at all. I barely put anything into it now. Just lots of time and effort cleaning it up. Getting all the bolts unstuck. I still have one more thing to do to it. I have a through bolt kit for the subframe, because one of the bolts is broken in there, so I'm just going to drill it all out right through. Easier, it's better. It'll be a lot more sturdy, especially if I start putting weight on it. It's Tanner's project. Howdy, howdy.
Yeah, welcome to hell.
Oh, wow. You weren't kidding.
Yeah, the floor is getting a whole new floor, but that's the thing.
Oh. Alright, little visit with my buddy and his kid. His kid's building the van, refinishing it. Got a lot of work to do. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the little video. Not much. I didn't want to take you through the whole fix-up, cleanup of this whole thing. It was a mess. But everything's good now, so we can do some motorcycle adventures. Cheaper than the truck. Alright everybody, take care, stay safe. We'll see you later. This thing feels like it's going to fall over when you put it on that little mini kickstand. It's got a lowering kit in it. It's 11 millimeter longer link. Lowers it an inch, so I got the front lowered an inch. But I think they lowered that kickstand way too much.